How to design t-shirts in Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be showing you how you can design your t-shirts in Canva. So let's get started. What you have to do is just come to canva.com and you will land on this website. Canva is actually amazing platform which allows you to design amazing different presentations. You can edit your videos and create a different digital art as well. It is completely free. I will be using the free version of Canva, and the good thing is we can actually go ahead and design our t-shirts as well. So if you are into print on demand business and you do print on demand, you design your own t-shirts, then Canva is an amazing platform for you to do that. And what happens is, if you are using, for example, if you are using Teespring, Redbubble, or maybe any other website, we can actually create different designs there. But for that design to print it on any t-shirt, you will actually need a good design which is not going to be blurred, and we need a big picture, a big design, a PNG form design that will not be blurred when it is printed on a shirt. So in order to do that, Canva actually allows us to create amazing designs for our t-shirts. So let's start the process. What you can do is you can actually go ahead and select any of the layouts from here as well. But what happens is these layouts have their sizes, and we want the maximum size for our design so that it does not get blurred when we print it on our t-shirt. So what you have to do is just click on custom design, and I'm going with 5000 by 5000, which is the largest Canva allows, and it is going to be a very big picture. The pixel will be 5000 by 5000. I'm going to click on create new design. So when I click on create new design, so you can see right here that my canvas has been opened. Now I can start designing. So this is, you can see it is a pretty large canvas, and I will design my t-shirt here. So for the design, again, we can go to elements, we can go to uploads, we can go to text, whatever you want to add. So let's go to elements, or maybe we can actually change the background color as well. So for the background color, now what happens is when we are going to be printing it on our t-shirt, we don't want any background. So that is actually pretty easy. If you are using Canva Pro, you can actually download an image without the background. I will just show you in a minute. So what happens is, for the design, I can actually go ahead and add whatever I want to, different elements or different graphics that will be free, and I am going to be using the free version because we don't want any copyright or stuff like that. So I can just I have selected this one. I can just drag it right here in the middle. You will see this line. Now I can just drop it here wherever I want to. If I want to make it a little big, if I want to increase the design, I can just drag and drop. You can actually edit the color as well. For example, you will see all of the colors right here. If I click right here and if I click on pink color, then the pink color in this image will be changed to whatever I want to select. For example, if I go with red, you will see that the pink color is changed to red. If I want to change this color and make it like this, it will be changed here. So let's go back to the original. It looked good. So if you do not want any graphics, because what happens is, if I will make the graphic way too large than its original size, it may be get blurred a little. This one is not getting blurred. It's a good quality graphic, but some of the images will get blurred. For example, if I selected image, for example you are going with image on Canva, so what is going to be happen is that the images actually get blurred because of their own qualities. Let's say I went with this image and I'm going with any image that I wanted to, for example this one. So what would happen is, the more I will make it larger, it will get blur, and we don't want that. Make sure that your design does not involve any image, but this one too, it does not got any that much blur, but when it will be printed on any t-shirt, you will notice that the quality will decrease. So we don't want that, and that's why I'm not going with any image and I am going with text, because text is perfect. You can make it as big as you want to and it will not get blurred. So when we go to text, we will actually find all of these different font combinations that we can actually go with. If you want to go with any simple text that you want to, you can simply select a heading, and when we click on add a heading, it will be added to our Canva. So if I want to add any heading, if I want to add text, I can just simply go ahead and do that, and then I can do all the changes. I can change the font from here, I can change the size, I can change the color. So for now, I am going to be selecting a font that is already available, for example right here. So you can see this one says Glow Play. These are very cool fonts that are already available, and I'm going to be selecting a free one. So we can just go with any of these. So you can see this is the text if I want to go with it. So I can just make it as big as I want to. If I want to keep it in the center, I can just simply do that. If I want to keep it above, I can do that as well, and I can make it as big as I want to. Now if you want to change the color, of course you can go ahead and do that. For example, I can change it to black. This looks pretty good. Black looks pretty good with that. And I can just, then make it smaller or bigger. So if I go to text again, this is also a pretty cool text, and it will actually look pretty cool. So I'm going to be selecting that one. So what I am going to be doing is I will just simply go ahead and select this one. This is the final text that I am going to be selecting. So this is the text, right? And I will make it is way too small. Now it looks pretty good. The text is pretty cool as well. For example, love, peace, and joy. And this looks pretty good. Okay, let's delete this one. And what I can do is I can just simply select it and press delete. Once I do that, it will be deleted. And you can actually ungroup it as well if you want to, and then you can just simply erase it. So this text looks pretty good. If I want to customize it, I can just go ahead and do that. For example, I'm going to be making the first letters capital. There you go. So this looks good, and I can just adjust it however I want to. Now if I want to change the color of the text, I can do that, but I'm gonna leave it this way. This looks pretty good. I'm going to be printing it on a white t-shirt, so it will look pretty cool. So once your image is done, your designing is done, all you have to do is just click on download. And when we download, if we are using the pro version, it becomes super easy for us to delete the background as well. And this is pretty good. I suggest that you do delete the background when it comes to adding any image to your print on demand, because then it will look that this was printed on your shirt and it will not give a look of another image that has been printed. There are some styles where you can actually add image to your t-shirt, and it also looks pretty cool. So once you are done with your designing, all you have to do is just select the file type. I am going with PNG, and that is the high quality image. You can actually go with JPG, but that one is small. And then there is PDF and PDF print. We don't want that, we want PNG. So we will simply select PNG and click on download. Once I click on download, it will be downloaded to my computer, and after that I can just simply go to my Redbubble or my Teespring or whatever I want to go to, any design and any print on demand service that I am using. For example, I can just go to Teespring now, and I can go to start designing and print the image that I just created on canva.com. I will upload this design that I created on my t-shirt, and I can actually create as many as I want to in the free version. It does not charge anything. You don't have to buy different plans or different features. This is the free version, and it allows you to create pretty cool designs. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to design your t-shirts with canva.com. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.